This episode brought to you by JPAN Parts, stories, and automotive photography. JPAN GT. United we stand, divided we race.
My name is Christian Ruh. I am local to Las Vegas, Nevada, and I own a 1990 Nissan 300ZX. Alrighty, so long story short, I've always been in the car, especially from like my grandpa and other family members, stuff like that, like my dad and stuff. But one of my good old buddies who actually used to own one of these sort of brought me into working on cars and everything like that. So that sort of brought me in and got me a little more technical. I haven't had it for too long. I've had it since November of 2020, so I haven't had too much. I don't know, I guess just cruising down the strip with friends and stuff. It's just simple stuff like that. I haven't had anything too crazy. Alrighty, so 1990 Nissan 300ZX. For power plant stuff, it's the VG30DE. Yes, I know, it's not a turbo. Go ahead, roast me in the comments. It's an NA. I have a cold air intake, so just a little pop filter. I have Specialty Z tuning chip. Shout out to Specialty Z. Coilovers, I have Powertrix SS coilovers. Really nice coils. I have a old Boomer exhaust. It's a Genie Turbo exhaust for the 300ZX. And besides that, in just reupholstered interior. Nothing too much, just full bolt-ons and whatnot. It handles pretty good. One thing that I need to do in the future is upgrade to the turbo sway bars because it has a little bit of a boaty feel in the corners. So, I mean, that's how it is. But other than that, it feels really good. Power-wise, it's really good. And for the age, I'm gonna be honest, it feels pretty fast. It's good for what it is in its age. The previous owner did majority of the stuff on the car, so I kind of got it mint condition straight from him. So lucky on my part, but it also sucks because I wanted to do the work myself. But if anything, I would just have to say, I guess just getting it dialed in really, just getting it to where it's running fully reliably and stuff like that and all tuned up and ready for the road. So we'll just say like if I got this car completely stock, like nothing, I feel like first thing I'd invest in is definitely the coilovers because the car handles and performs amazing. I love it, but the handling is a bigger issue with me because even with the coils, it's not stiff enough to control the sway. So it is a little boaty feeling, but I do that and then definitely wheels for sure. I'd probably go partially hot boy mode and do a setup like that. Other than that, and then the same engine modifications I have currently, and I'd be happy with it. Favorite thing about my car? If I weren't to choose the looks, I'd have to say the sound of it. I'm a big fan of the VG30 and the 300ZX sound, but especially because it's an NA, it's just a little bit louder than the turbo. So I'm a fan of the sound. Probably that's definitely my favorite thing for sure. So I've had Instagram for a long time. It is Ruhdilly_tuner. So to spell it out, RUHDILLY_TUNER. YouTube is Ruhdilly, so same as the first, RUHDILLY. And yeah, that's really it, just those two platforms. That's just my portfolio, so find me on there, see my content, everything like that. First off to my right-hand buddy, Jaden Jenis. He's right there always with me. He's helped me with this from the get-go and everything besides that, photography, video, everything. I'm gonna have to do Charles Napolitano, another really good friend of mine, helped me through a lot. And Caden Underwood, obviously. And I'm gonna have to do my girlfriend, Alani, because You gotta throw your girlfriend in there. Thank you everybody for watching, and thank you to JPAN GT for having me here, being able to interview me and check out the car and everything like that. My name's Christian Ruh, and thanks for checking out my Z.